When I first reached out, it was just kind of that ongoing up and down. And then I had a huge flare up right the day before I was starting.
Yeah.
So that was just like I was just always in pain.
What did you know about it, in the past? Like, what did you know about it before starting?
Um, Basically, we had figured out with the chiropractor that it wasn't really the shoulder causing everything, but there were shoulder issues before PT had told me it was shoulder. I didn't believe that. Chiropractor agreed, but it was still more of a symptom relief. And I was just tired of just symptom relief. I'm like, it keeps coming back with no rhyme or reason. If it was like I knew what was setting it off and it was always one thing, that's a different story. But it was who knows what was setting it off. And so I knew that was more of an issue. I'm like, that's not like I'm just doing something wrong and having problems. There's an underlying reason why this keeps happening.
Sure. Could you talk a little more about like specifically what was going on with it? Like what did you feel the couple days before you started the comeback program with your neck?
I could barely move my neck. Although when I went to the chiropractor, it did help, but I couldn't really move my neck.
Yeah.
And just any like standing, sitting motion, like I had to move constantly or I was hurting.
Yeah.
And the longer I was still, like it would be, I couldn't get relief. So if it was just like a couple minutes, I could maybe get relief with movement. But if I sat for or stood for a while, it was just nothing
Yeah.
that would relieve it.
And obviously you're not someone who's just like, sedentary. You're very high level athletes, right? You've been doing gymnastics for I don't know how long. So that was probably part of it. You're like, I'm plenty strong in my shoulders. Maybe talk a little more about that and how you like getting to the true cause kind of helped you.
Um, just since I was an athlete and then still very active, but then a mom and all of so I was sitting a lot more than I normally would and standing a lot more.
Mm.
So I feel like things just kind of built maybe some overcompensations I had as a gymnast just got exasperated. Then also the pregnancy I've learned affects the way things work too with the spine and has a lot of effect on the thoracic spine. I did not have any shoulder pain until after my second.
I see.
So
I
that
see.
was when it first started. So I think there was just already overcompensations. I know I had low back problems, so I know I was using that over my thoracic spine,
Yeah.
and I was just getting by for the longest time. And then everything, just a little bit of changes, and I wasn't able to get by anymore.
Yeah. Okay. So then you signed up for the comeback program. Tell me a little bit about how the first week was, maybe things you were unsure of, nervous about. Of course, I know you were in a lot of pain starting the program. Obviously, tell me more kind of about that, like getting started process.
For me, it just felt good to keep up with the movement. So I wasn't nervous about doing that. Um, so I mean, I was doing since it was easy exercises to start because I was in so much pain. I was doing them several times a day.
Good.
So because I wanted to feel better because I hurt all the time, so I wanted to move.
What do you remember about that first week with kind of especially doing the chin motions? Like how did those feel that first week? And at what point where you're like, oh, like I'm actually feeling things changing?
I mean, it felt awkward, but I understood what why it was being done and how it would help, and I knew it was going to take time.
Once you got started with the app, kind of going through, maybe you could talk a little more about like using the app, communicating with me, kind of that experience.
Yeah, I mean, that was great because if I had a question, I could, and it wasn't an emergency, I knew I could just, write it down before I forgot about it or write it when I had a chance. But then I could also give a personal message if I needed something answered
Of
quicker.
course.
So it was
Of
helpful.
course. How did you feel like this program was different overall from some of the other stuff you'd done that you talked about before you started?
Just going in right away, you're working. I feel like comeback performance is really about not hiding the symptoms, making sure that you're recovering instead of just saying, well, if this makes you feel better, let's just keep doing this instead of saying, well, you need to go back and do this first and lead through here and have more of a set plan of how to get rid of or significantly decrease pain versus
Mhm.
just saying, well, if this helps you a little bit, then we'll do it. Or having just that textbook like, oh, this is what's wrong with your shoulder, or this is what's wrong here. So these are the set of exercises you do, not like, oh, that one doesn't feel good. We're going to do this. Or that one you didn't notice it helping. We're going to change it to this.
When you were kind of building and building, where at what point were you finally like, okay, like not only is my neck better and moving forward, but like I'm actually like feeling better and
Well, I was still doing the handstands because the funny thing was, is handstands felt good. No,
there.
that's the thing. It's honestly when I was even when I was in so much pain, I would do a handstand and I would feel better for a couple of minutes. Like it actually helped. But uh I guess about halfway through is when I started noticing as my back was feeling better, if I went to try to do a back bend, I was like, "Oh, I'm not just bending from my lumbar spine. I'm
Yeah.
actually moving my entire spine. I'm actually bending the way
Good.
I should." So it was things like that that I just kind of saw. It was
Good.
probably about halfway through before it was not just pain relief and
Yeah.
pain improvement. It was all like, "Oh, okay, now I don't feel like I have to force myself." Like I felt like anytime I would stand up straight, I just still felt like resistance. And so I started noticing that things were finally like cooperating and listening and
Sure.
relaxing.
Is there any advice you'd give another person who's kind of dealing with your same complaints now that you've completed the program? What would you tell them?
To start sooner of when you recognize well, when you recognize a problem and you don't think it's related to that just that limb or whatever,
Yeah.
is to don't just listen when maybe, somebody massage therapist, chiropractor agrees with you that it's probably your neck and then just says, "Well, we'll just make the muscles relax." So I feel like it's recognizing sooner that if there's a problem in one area, there's probably more going on and that you should be investigating further to make sure you're doing some type of prehab and rehab, not just trying to fix the symptoms. And some of it is too. It's like, well, also, I'm a former high level gymnast in my 40s who's worked out hard her whole life. So part of it too is I'm like, is this just something I'm going to deal with? But then I was just like, no, I don't like, it's not like I took a break and came back to it. I'm like,
Yeah.
I've stayed at a level for a long time. I feel like I really felt like there I would be able to get to a point where I can have a lot less discomfort and a lot less flare-ups.